നമസ്കാരം, എല്ലാവർക്കും PSC ഈസി സക്സസ്സിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. കഴിഞ്ഞ ദിവസം നടന്ന സ്റ്റാഫ് നഴ്സ് എക്സാമിനേഷൻ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പർ 132/2021 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ബുക്ക്ലെറ്റ് ആൽഫ കോഡ് A പ്രൊഫഷണൽ കീ പ്രകാരമുള്ള ആൻസേഴ്സ് ആണ് പറയുന്നത്. ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, വിച്ച് ഓഫ് ദ ഫോളോയിങ് ഫോംസ് ദ myelin sheath in the central nervous system? Oligodendrocytes, option C. Second one, which cranial nerve innervates the lateral rectus muscle of the eye? Sixth, abducens, option D. Third one, which of the following is a hinge joint? Elbow joint, option A. Fourth one, which of the following cells secrete pulmonary surfactant? Type 2 alveolar cells, option B. Fifth one, which of the following photoreceptor helps in bright light vision? Cones, option B. Sixth one, bacterial cell walls are mainly composed of peptidoglycan, option A. Seventh one, which one among the following is a gram-positive bacterium? Clostridium perfringens, option B. Eighth one, bacilli are the term used for rod-shaped bacteria, option C. Ninth one, the term invasiveness indicates the ability of a pathogen to spread in the host tissue after establishing infection, option D. 10th one, which among the following statements is not true about the normal microbial flora of human body? They can never become pathogenic even when host defenses fail, option A. 11th one, father of psychoanalysis Sigmund Freud, option B. 12th one, as per the psychosocial development theory of Erikson, identity and role confusion is associated with adolescence, option D. 13th one, ability to see beyond outward behavior and sense accurately in inner experience of another at a given point is empathy, option B. 14th one, deficiency of serotonin causes depression, option A. 15th one, Ivan Pavlov is associated with classical conditioning, option D. 16th one, perception without stimuli is hallucination, option B. 17th one, behavioral pattern of everyday life which unconsciously arises within a group is culture, option D. 18th one, World Mental Health Day, October 10, option C. 19th one, Government of India announced Year of Empowerment of Women in the year 2001, option B. 20, which among the following is not a type of marriage? Epigamy, option C. 21, indirect speech that is delayed in reaching the point but eventually gets from the original point to desired goal? Circumstantiality, option D. 22, therapeutic communication technique where directing ideas, feelings, questions or content back to clients so as to enable exploring their own ideas and feelings about a situation? Reflecting, option C. 23, MSc means mental status examination, option D. 24, word meaning schizophrenia is split mind, option A. 25, delirium tremens means severe alcohol withdrawal symptoms, option A. 26, lysergic acid diethyl amide LSD is a hallucinogen, option D. 27, intelligence quotient IQ 55 to 70 indicates mild instinctual deficiency. 28, a feeling of interior motor restlessness that can present as tension, nervousness or anxiety, akathisia, option C. 29, practice of gaining sexual pleasure from watching others when they are naked or engaged in sexual activity, voyeurism, option D. 30, when a person is unable to cope with natural process of development, maturational crisis, option A. 31, the term nursing process was originally used by L. Hall, option B. 32, pupillary reflex is checked to find out the functioning of dash nerve, oculomotor nerve, option B. 33, tamoxifen is estrogen antagonist, option C. 34, dose of tenecteplase 0.5 mg per kg, option A. 35, drug derived from streptomycin benzoylate chloramphenicol, option C. 36, a patient is ordered 2 mg morphine. Available vial contains 10 mg per ml. Find out the amount of drug to be administered in ml. 0.2 ml. Option B. 37. Percentage of oxygen delivered through red colored Venturi mask is 40. Option B. 38. Depth of chest compression in adult CPR 5 cm. Option C. 39. In most cases, point of maximum impulse PMI is at 5th intercostal space mid-clavicular line. Option D. 40. What is meant by TRUF? Minimum blood serum concentration of medication. Option B. 41. Normal glomerular filtration rate 125 ml per minute per 1.73 meters square. Option D. 42. Cooper's ligaments are associated at breast. Option B. 43. Likos catheter system is used to assess cerebral oxygenation. Option A. 44. Pamidronate is indicated in hypercalcemia. Option D. 45. Carpal tunnel syndrome is compression of median nerve. Option B. 46. Felty syndrome is a complication of rheumatoid arthritis. Option B. 47. Volume of blood in liters pumped by heart in 1 minute. Cardiac output. Option D. 48. Drug of choice in renal cell carcinoma. Pazopanib. Option C. 49. Palpable gallbladder in a jaundiced patient due to biliary obstruction is called Courvoisier's sign. Option B. 50. Another name for Estes deformans Paget's disease. Option B. 51. Which among the following is the correct sequence of referral system in Kerala? Option A. Subcenter, primary health center, community health center, district hospital. Option A is the correct choice. 52. Identify the nutrient of proximate principle. Answer option A. 1, 2 and 3. 1 carbohydrate, 2 fat, 3 protein. 52. Option A. 53. How many megadoses of vitamin A are given in the vitamin A prophylaxis program? 9 megadoses. Option C. 54. Pentavalent vaccine is a combination of the following vaccine. Choose the right answer. Option D. Diphtheria, pertussis, tetanus, hepatitis B and Haemophilus influenza type B. Option D. 55. In WIFS program, the target age group is 10 to 19 years. Option C. 56. A cervical cancer screening was conducted in a rural community among 1,000 adult population. During the survey, it was found that 8 women already diagnosed with cancer of cervix and 12 new cases of cancer of cervix identified. Estimate the prevalence of the cancer of cervix in the community. Number of males 440 and number of females 560. Option B 3.57%. Option B. 57. Identify the public health functionaries of the primary health center. A. ASHA, JPHN, PHN. Option A. 58. Which is not a principle of primary health center? Multidimensionality of health. Option D. 59. Regular exercise is an example of which level of prevention? Primary prevention. Option A. 60. Which is not a barrier method of contraception? Copper T. Option C. 61. The expected weight kilogram of a child at the age of 8 years is 30.5. Option C. 32. An informed consent given by a child below dash years of age is considered invalid legally. 12 years of age. Option B. 63. The age group which are most at risk for stressful experience as a result of illness and hospitalization is toddler. Option A. Toddler. 64. Giving others foods and liquidation in addition to breast milk or non-human milk to an infant is complementary feeding. Option D. 65. According to WHO recommendation in COVID-19 pandemic, generally children aged 5 years and below should wear which type of mask? No mask. Option A. 66. The age at which children can localize pain is greater than or equal to 3 years. Option D. 67. A child having 18 kg weight is admitted with dehydration. What is the intravenous fluid requirement for 24 hours? 1400 ml. Option B. 68. The most common cause of cardiac arrest in infants and young children is respiratory failure. Option C. 69. The most severe complication after fracture reduction in children is compartment syndrome. Option B. 70. A child who is an immunosuppressive therapy can take live vaccines after dash times of stopping of immunosuppressant drugs. 4 weeks. Option B. 71. What is asymmetrical enlargement of uterus in lateral implantation called? Pisacek sign. PISKACEK apostrophe S sign. Option C. Pronunciation വന്നുപോയ മിസ്റ്റേക്സിന് ക്ഷമിക്കണം. 71 ഓപ്ഷൻ സി ആണ്. 72. Which is the major galactokinetic hormone? Oxytocin. Option C. 73. Where are the thumbs placed during chest compression in newborn? Lower third of sternum. Option D. 73. Option D. 74. Which of the following statements is or are correct about prevention of perineal laceration? Option A. Only 1 and 2. 1. Delivery of early extension of head is avoided. 2. Delivery head in between contraction. Option A. 74. Answer option A. 75. What is reduced sperm motility known as? Asthenozoospermia. Option B. 76. Which of the following can be done during assisted breech delivery? Option C. Only 1 and 3. 1. Never to rush. 3. Never pull from below but push from above. 76. Option C. 77. Which is the most conclusive clinical sign of pregnancy? Fetal heart sound. Option D. 77. Option D. 78. Which is the ideal time for episiotomy? Option B. Only 1 and 2. When perineum is bulged and thin, 2 just prior to crowning. Option B. 79. Which of the following is done for management of acute mastitis? Option A. Only 1 and 3. A. Breast support. 1. Breast support. 3. Manual emptying of infected site with each feed. Option 79. Option A. 80. Which of the following is the immediate complications of pelvic inflammatory disease? Pelvic peritonitis and septicemia. Option A. 80. Option A. 81. Which among the following is included in Henry Fayol's 14 Principles of Management? Discipline. Option B. 82. Which of the following is not an element of management? Commanding. Option C. 83. The period between placing the order and receiving the stores. Lead time. Option D. 84. The nurse-patient ratio of an intensive care unit 1:1. Option B. 85. The allocation of authority and responsibility to perform a selected task to a competent individual is known as delegation. Option C. 86. What is the type of leadership where there is a little input from group members? Autocratic. Option A. 87. Which of the following is not a characteristic of a profession? Dependency. Option D. 88. False written report with an intention of harming the reputation of one person is known as libel. Option B. 89. Which ethical principle is followed in telling truth about the disease to a patient? Veracity. Option A. 90. Which type of budget outlines the purchase of large fixed assets? Capital budget. Option B. 91. Who stated that by education I mean an all-round drawing out of the best in the child and man, in body, mind and spirit? Mahatma Gandhi. Option B. 92. Which teaching method is more effective in teaching procedures in nursing education? Demonstration. Option D. 93. Which of the following is a small group teaching method? Seminar. Option C. 94. Which of the following is a wrong statement about essay type questions? More coverage of content. Option B. 95. Which of the following is a graphic teaching aid? Chart. Option A. 96. Which of the following is an example of quantitative study? Descriptive. 97. Which is the most frequently occurring value in a data set? Mode. Option B. 98. Which of the following is an example of probability sampling? Systematic. Option C. 99. Which type of variable represents outcome of the intervention in the study? Dependent. Option D. 100. Which of the following is a measure of central tendency? Median. Option B. അപ്പോൾ ഇത്രയുമാണ് ഇന്ന് ഈ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറിൻ്റെ ആൻസേഴ്സ്. പ്രൊവിഷണൽ ആൻസർ കീ പ്രകാരമുള്ളത്. എല്ലാവരും ക്ലാസ് ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ മറക്കാതെ തന്നെ ഒന്ന് ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. അതോടൊപ്പം തന്നെ തൊട്ടടുത്തുള്ള ബെൽ ബട്ടൺ പ്രസ് ചെയ്ത് ഓൾ എന്ന ഓപ്ഷൻ കൂടി എനേബിൾ ചെയ്യുക. അടുത്ത ക്ലാസ്സിൽ വീണ്ടും കാണാം. താങ്ക്